Hunt down and test out Amazon's hottest tech gadgets of 2025 to see if they're really worth the hype. The world of tech is always buzzing with new innovations and gadgets, popping up left and right. If you're like me, you're always on the lookout for the next big thing that can make your life easier, more fun, or just plain cool. But let's be real, with so many options out there, it can get pretty overwhelming to choose the best ones. Keeping up with the latest tech trends is a full-time job in itself. New gadgets are launching every month, each one claiming to be the game changer of the year. It's hard to know what's genuinely worth your hard-earned cash and what's just a flash in the pan. I've been there too, scrolling through pages of reviews and comparisons, trying to make sense of it all. One of the biggest challenges is figuring out which gadgets are must-haves and which ones are just nice-to-haves. Are you really going to use that fancy smartwatch every day? Or is it just going to end up collecting dust on your shelf? That's why I'm here to help, by cutting through the noise and bringing you the top tech gadgets that are actually worth your attention. The tech landscape is evolving fast, and 2025 is shaping up to be an incredible year for gadgets. From smart home devices to wearable tech, there's something for everyone. I'm excited to share with you my top picks for the hottest tech gadgets, available on Amazon right now. Let's dive into the top gadgets that are making waves this year. First up, we have the latest smartwatch from a top brand, boasting a sleek design and cutting edge features like heart rate monitoring and GPS tracking. Then there's the innovative smart speaker that's changing the way we interact with our homes, offering unparalleled voice control and seamless integration with other devices. Another standout gadget is the high-tech smartphone accessory that's taking mobile photography to the next level. With its advanced lens and AI-powered editing software, you'll be capturing stunning shots like a pro. And for the gamers out there, get ready to level up with the latest gaming console that's pushing the boundaries of immersive gameplay. But what really caught my attention is the revolutionary smart home device that's set to change the way we live. Imagine having complete control over your home's lighting, temperature, and security, all from the palm of your hand. This gadget is more than just a convenience. It's a game changer. The standout gadget that has the potential to revolutionize everyday life is undoubtedly the augmented reality glasses. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's like having a personal assistant, a fitness tracker, and a navigation system all in one. Whether you're a busy professional or an avid fitness enthusiast, these glasses are a must-have. The augmented reality glasses offer a unique experience that's hard to describe. But trust me when I say it's life-changing.